Amazon Relational Database Service, or RDS, supports 4 major database engines. These include MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server. Each engine is designed to meet different application requirements and use cases. RDS provides a fully managed database service, allowing you to focus on your applications, while AWS handles infrastructure management, automated backups, patching, and monitoring. Understanding these engines helps you choose the right database for your specific workload. MySQL is the most popular open-source relational database in the world. It benefits from broad community support and extensive tooling across the development ecosystem. MySQL is commonly used for web applications, e-commerce platforms, and content management systems where developers need reliable, proven technology. Key features include ACID compliance for data integrity, the InnoDB storage engine for transactional workloads, built-in replication support, and automated backups. Amazon RDS for MySQL supports versions 5.7 and 8.0, with automatic minor version updates to keep your database secure and up to date. PostgreSQL is an advanced open-source database known for its enterprise-grade features and strict standards compliance. It excels at handling complex queries, geospatial data processing, analytics workloads, and enterprise applications that require advanced functionality. PostgreSQL offers several powerful features including JSONB support for flexible document storage, full-text search capabilities, advanced indexing options, custom data types, and a rich library of extensions. Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL supports versions 11 through 16, giving you access to the latest PostgreSQL innovations and extensive extension library support for specialized use cases. Oracle Database is an enterprise-grade commercial database system with advanced features and complete Oracle compatibility. It is the preferred choice for enterprise applications, ERP systems like SAP and Oracle E-Business Suite, data warehousing projects, and mission-critical workloads that demand the highest levels of reliability. Oracle's key features include PL/SQL programming language support, table partitioning for large datasets, advanced security features, real application clusters for high availability, and Oracle Data Guard for disaster recovery. Amazon RDS for Oracle offers flexible licensing options including Bring Your Own License, known as BYOL, or license-included models to match your existing Oracle investments. Microsoft SQL Server is Microsoft's enterprise database platform with deep integration into the Windows ecosystem. It is ideal for .NET applications, business intelligence solutions, enterprise applications built on Microsoft technologies, and organizations standardized on the Microsoft stack. SQL Server provides powerful features including T-SQL programming language support, SQL Server, agent for job scheduling and automation, integration services for ETL workflows, analysis services for analytics and data mining, and reporting services for enterprise reporting. Amazon RDS for SQL Server is available in 4 editions: Express for small applications, Web for internet-facing workloads, Standard for departmental applications, and Enterprise for mission-critical workloads. You can choose license-included pricing or bring your own license to reduce costs. When comparing these 4 database engines, the first major distinction is licensing. MySQL and PostgreSQL are open-source databases, meaning there are no licensing fees, and you only pay for the AWS infrastructure. Oracle and SQL Server are commercial databases that require either purchasing licenses through OZ with the license-included model or bringing your existing licenses through the Bring Your Own License model. This licensing difference significantly impacts total cost of ownership and is an important factor when choosing your database engine. Both licensing models have their advantages depending on your organization's existing investments and budget requirements. Selecting the right database engine depends on 4 key considerations. First, cost. Open-source engines like MySQL and PostgreSQL have no licensing fees, while commercial engines require either bring your own license or license included pricing. Second, application stack compatibility. Match your engine to existing applications and your team's development expertise for seamless integration and faster time to market. Third, performance requirements. Consider your workload type such as online transaction processing, analytics, or mixed workloads, and evaluate specific feature requirements like JSON support or spatial data handling. Fourth, compliance needs. Enterprise databases like Oracle and SQL Server offer advanced security features and certification compliance options required for regulated industries like healthcare, finance, and government sectors. Let's recap the important points about RDS Database Engines. Amazon RDS supports 4 major database engines with fully managed infrastructure, eliminating the operational burden of database administration. You should choose your engine based on cost considerations, compatibility with your existing applications, required features, and workload characteristics. Importantly, all 4 engines include critical managed features such as automated backups, automated patching, high availability options through multi-AZ deployments, and RED replicas for scaling read-heavy workloads. This managed approach allows your team to focus on building applications rather than managing database infrastructure.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.